everyone, John O'Keefe here again. I am your technology education Jedi with logical operations, and this is another video in our Trends in Technology Education series. Today's video is all about our brand new professional development and certification course called Certified Virtual Educator. In this video, we're going to take a look at what is CVE, who is CVE for, and why do you want to offer this as a professional development opportunity. So sit back and enjoy. Certified Virtual Educator, or CVE, is a 4-hour professional development and certification course. Certified Virtual Educator is all about online pedagogy. So how can we be more effective as online instructors? The concept for the class was born out of our Modern Classroom Certified Trainer program, which to date has certified almost 3,500 adult trainers in the past 5 months. While running countless MCCT classes, we realized that it wasn't just corporate trainers and adult educators who were joining and looking for better tips and tricks for teaching online. We started to see an increased number in K-12 educators. Sure, they were getting professional development from their school districts. That professional development was all about the specific tools and technologies that they would be using to teach online come the fall. A lot of teachers have recognized that it isn't just enough to know how to use Zoom or Canvas or Seesaw, that there is something different about online education. Certified Virtual Educator takes that into account and looks at the pedagogy of teaching online. It attempts to understand why teachers are so stressed when teaching online, why students have such a difficult time learning online, and how both parties can come together to maximize engagement in a virtual classroom. Certified Virtual Educator is broken up into 3 sections. The first section is all about pre-class considerations. What are the challenges that you will initially face when teaching online? What are the challenges your students will face when learning online? How can you design better courses for online delivery? The second section of the course is all about teaching and engaging students. We look at the components that make up a great online class. We go through the different question and answer techniques that are required when teaching virtual, and we look at both nonverbal and verbal engagement styles and strategies. The third section of Certified Virtual Educator is all about adding that extra connection to your audience, getting them to collaborate, and understanding the benefit of using asynchronous teaching when having a virtual classroom. At the end of the class, we talk about troubleshooting tips and understanding what we can do as teachers to control what's in our power and how we can let some of the things that are not under our control go. Certified Virtual Educator is an awesome professional development opportunity for any K-12 school district. I've looked at over 100 different professional development plans from school districts all across the country, and to a T, they've all done a great job of teaching their various tools that they have for learning online. However, the key ingredient that's missing is the pedagogy of teaching online. Online education is very different than in-classroom education, and you cannot simply lift and place what works in a physical classroom into a virtual classroom and expect the same results. Any school district that's planning on having either a virtual component to their education or a hybrid blended approach to their education throughout the fall and into the winter can benefit from Certified Virtual Educator today. If you're interested in learning more about Certified Virtual Educator, You can check out our Trends in Technology Education virtual education playlist. It has several videos that are all about virtual education topics that are covered in a CVE. Thanks so much. Look forward to connecting with you soon.